Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Agnes Collera, your Las Vegas Realtor from Century 21 Americana. Today I'm here inside Toll Brothers, one of their community in Sky Canyon. This is located in northwest of Las Vegas in a quiet, nice neighborhood. And today we are going to feature this Braga model home. And they are selling this model home. This is priced at $999,995, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and 2-car garage. And again, this is a model home that they're selling, so everything that you see in this house is included with the price. I can't wait to show you guys this gorgeous home. Let's tour inside. So welcome to the Braga farmhouse model home. As soon as you get at the front, you will see this lockbox here for your delivery orders. And right here by the door, there's a video doorbell and a smart deadlock bolt. This is also included in this home. That's the price. And as soon as you get in, you would see this nice entryway. And on your right side, there is a laundry room. Everything that's in here is also included with the price. Washer and dryer and all the built-ins. And right here, this is a full bathroom right here. It's a very nice bathroom. Dual sink. And next to the bathroom, you will see this first bedroom. It's a nice space. Everything that you see here, all the furniture is included with the price. There's a standard closet in this room. And then there is a linen closet outside the room. And now let's go check the other bedroom over here. They use this as an office. All the furnishing that is inside this room is also included. There's a standard closet. And now on your left side, you will see a powder room. Right here, a single vanity. And let's go check your garage, the 2-car garage. It has a tankless water heater. Now let's go back inside and check the rest of the house. Right here, there is a flex room. Also in this room, all the furnishing that you see here is also included. And in this room, there's this refrigerator that's built in. Isn't that nice? Now I'm going to show you guys your living room. This is a nice flow. There's a built-in shelvings at the front. Everything that you see here is also included, including the furnitures. Love that modern kitchen. Right here is your wine bar. right here. And let me show you guys the pantry. This is already, there's this. I love this pantry. They already fixed this. There's plenty of space and shelvings. Right here is a wine cooler. Refrigerator is also included in this house, made by KitchenAid. Love this kitchen. It's very modern. Love that upper shelving with the lights. And also this, the hood, the stainless steel hood, and the chef cooktop right here with 5 burners. There's also a built-in oven and the microwave. And right here, I like this open shelving. Nice backsplash, and they extended the countertop, which is very nice, so plenty of space to prepare your meals. And this side right here, this is your dining area. Like what I said, these furnitures are also included. Love this island here in the middle with farmhouse sink. Isn't that nice? Dishwasher on this side right here. And now I'm gonna show you guys the backyard. Unfortunately, I cannot open it, but from here, I'm gonna show you guys the swimming pool. It's already, the backyard is already landscaped with the swimming pool. And again, this is included with the $999,995 price. As an addition, in the backyard, they also have this covered area with the built-in barbecue and wet bar, and that's included with this price. And now I'm going to show you guys your primary bedroom right here. Right outside your bedroom, you can see the fire pit outside. It's a nice area for entertaining. And look at this, you guys. Everything that you see here is included. Very nice space. Love the wall. Now let's go your primary bathroom. So this is your shower area right here. And this is your dual sink vanity. Very nice, very modern. Right here is your private water closet. Now I'm going to show you guys this nice walk-in closet. Again, this is included with the price. Love that built-in mirror. Plenty of space inside. Okay, you guys, if you are interested of owning this model home. Again, this is the Braga farmhouse. Price is 999,995. 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and 2-car garage. This is already fully furnished, which is included with the price. All the stainless steel appliances is included. And if you are interested, you can reach out to me at 310-848-5693. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, and share my video, and thank you for watching.